I don't think we've ever not been involved with Walsh. And we've never left or never distanced ourselves from Walsh. It's always been part of us, and I imagine that'll just continue on. Gordon Fulmer started the firm in 1968. He very quickly hired employee number one, John Rajevitz. And the two of them formed Fulmer Rajevitz. And John was a Walsh Institute grad. We ran the firm as Fulmer Rajevitz until the year 2000. In 2000, we merged into UHY. We've got 5 offices here in Michigan, over 450 people, of which over 100 are Walsh grads.
A third of our partners are Walsh grads. Almost all of our leadership positions are held by Walsh grads. Of those, I think all but one, this is the only CPA firm they've ever worked for, is UHY.
We hire a lot of traditional students. The non-traditional student who's working their way through college maybe is a little on a different time track, different responsibilities, but also has a little different life experience that they bring to the table. We actually place a high value on that.
When you look at it, the professors that really come from business, that real world experience translates into our staff having a little bit more knowledge, just more than just the debits and credits.
Over the years, we've provided various different scholarships, but it is nice to kind of help relieve some of that debt, some of that burden for some of the students, take the pressure off, let them focus on learning. So the more connection we can have, the more support we can provide, we find the better success we have.
What we really have tried to do in the last several years is really present something that has meaningful impact on them. We can talk about UHY, but what did we go through? What did we learn? How can we get back? How can we make your path, maybe a little easier?
And Walsh has been very flexible with us on developing other programs. The MST program, we have a high value on that, but we also have other programs that Walsh has worked with us on, just single class training, multiple class training. So it's been a great partner in ours over our whole, since the beginning.
We feel good about receiving this award, and we feel good about furthering that relationship with Walsh College to recognize all the things that we each do for each other. It's truly a two-way street.